Hi, I'm Alima Sheikh, and I got Sujita's contact through the social media. I was looking for a good Ayurveda doctor who could resolve my digestive issues, which I had for a very long time. I called her up, came and visited her, and she gave me some meds. It's been about a month now, and this is unbelievably, the consultation and her medicines have really worked for me. I'm just feeling wonderful. I had a lot of gastric, a lot of acidity, which has gone down with her medication and her awesome diet, which I think I'm going to stick to the rest of my life. I'm never going to forget this experience because this was long overdue. I came all the way from Dubai and I had to meet her to correct my digestive issues. God bless you.